I oftentimes get asked what to expect after a rotator cuff repair. Despite the fact that 95% of rotator cuff repairs are now done arthroscopically, the recovery can still be quite lengthy. I tell patients that it is typically a full 6-month recovery after a rotator cuff repair, and they can continue to make small improvements even all the way out to a year. After the repair, we typically keep you in a sling for about 6 weeks. For smaller tears and tears with less tension upon repair, we can sometimes start some gentle motion after 2 weeks, but for larger tears, we typically wait a full 6 weeks. And this can be very challenging and somewhat painful postoperatively too because of the healing process.